The Lost Wallet. Ali is a young man. He lives in a small city. One morning, Ali walks to the market. The weather is nice. The sun is shining, and people are happy. Ali wants to buy some fruit. He buys apples and bananas. After that, he walks home. On the street, Ali sees a black wallet on the ground. He stops and picks it up. Whose wallet is this? Ali says. He opens the wallet. Inside, he sees money, a photo, and an ID card. The name on the card is Mr. Kareem. Ali thinks, this wallet is important. Mr. Kareem must be worried. Ali looks at the address on the ID card. The house is not very far, so Ali walks to the address. Soon, he arrives at a small house. He knocks on the door. An old man opens the door. "Hello?" the man says. Ali smiles and asks, "Are you Mr. Kareem?" "Yes, I am," the old man answers. Ali gives him the wallet. "I found your wallet on the street," Ali says. Mr. Kareem looks inside the wallet. Everything is there. He is very happy. "Thank you very much," Mr. Kareem says. "I was looking for my wallet all morning." Ali smiles. "It's okay," Ali says. "I'm happy to help." Mr. Kareem says, "You are a very kind person." Ali walks home with a happy heart. That day, Ali learns something important. Helping people makes the world